This is Tomoko, a New York City hairstylist. I am introducing easy hairstyles from Japan. If you haven't watched my previous videos of braids hang-up and twist hang-up, please take a look. Check the card in the top right. Part 3. Alternating hang-up. You need to prepare 5 silicone rubber bands for this style. Apply the C-style spray to prepare the hair. C-style spray makes it easy to hold your hair and also anti-freeze. Keep the wave beautiful. Take a top middle section of the hair and tie it. Take a side hair and wrap it around the first tie area. Then tie it with the second rubber band to the first section. Take the same amount of hair as the other side and repeat the second step. Take the leftover side hair, bring it to the back, and wrap it. Tie it with the next rubber band. The other side does the same. Wrap it over the previous tie and tie it. Loosen the top hair with your fingertips to give it volume. Technique tip: try to hide the rubber band by loosening pieces of hair around the tie. These styles are effortless and only use rubber bands. No pins are necessary, and may be used for any hair type, any occasion, any generation. Please try it and let me know any question you have regarding this tutorial. I will continue introducing popular hairstyles from Japan. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Feel beautiful, my wonderful viewers, and see you next time!